Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, so today we're gonna be installing the versus louvers. I don't know how to say it right. Anyway, so what I did is that whenever you put in the order, you get a template, and you have to cut around it to make the shape of this. Like, I mean, it's all like outline and everything, so you don't have to worry about that. All you gotta do is just cut on the sides. And then what they're gonna have you do is drill this out right here, this 4 holes. I mean, once you take all this off, of course. And you're just gonna go from there and cut this up over here. I just use a smaller bit. You don't always have to go the route I did it, but you know, I'm going with a smaller bit so I can increase gradually, and that way it won't hurt. Also, a lot of people recommend you to take the hood out. I'm not gonna do that, mainly because I'm alone right now, so I can just use this as my advantage. I can crawl in there and just let me show you real quick, just like that. So yeah, I'll show you guys the whole process, tell you what to watch out for, and I'll show you how it looks at the end. Alrighty guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and drill each one of these holes. And I think they tell you to use a bigger bit, but I'm gonna use a 1/16. Start off with that. Then I'm gonna remove this whole plate, do this holes with an 1/2 inch. And then I won't need this plate no more, because I'll just outline this like through here and here, here and here, and just, you know. And then I'll go ahead and cut that, and I'll get back to you guys. So I went ahead and did that. See all the holes. I'm sorry, that lighting is messing up this whole video. It's way too much lighting in here. Anyways, so this is my cutting rig right here. I'm gonna try using this. I have a Dremel tool, but it won't, you know, hit this, like, not hit it, but like it won't like grab it because it's too small. If not, I might have to use a grinder. I don't really like using grinders, so that tells you something. But yeah, we'll see what happens. All right guys, so here's where we are. I had a lot of difficulties. For some reason, these holes didn't come out where they were supposed to go, or I didn't get one of them aligned. I don't know what it was. Anyways, so I started doing a lot of measurements, freaking out that it was gonna come out bad, but I was able to measure like everything, and where it is, like the new holes, they're good. I still have to trim something over there on that side so I can get something out. Like this edge, I have to trim it down so I can put the louver on it. And then now I gotta make this other holes, and then I have to trim this out. So yeah, that's something you gotta watch out for. Aside from that, you know, just making sure your measurements are right. So far I like it. I mean, see, it's like wider right here and closer right here, but it lines up with this, which is what I wanted, and it also lines up with this line, so that's just what I wanted. That's why. All right guys, so this is the outcome. So how it looks. So back here, that's how it looks. And right here. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. So I'll go ahead and take this off right now. Just so you guys can see how it all looks. Ooh. Alright, I need 2 hands for that. That's one. So okay. The car is really dirty, so, or at least the hood. Okay, I have to go back in there and get that later. Yep, well, so that's what it looks. That's how it looks. Alright guys, so I just wanted to throw this out there. I'm not a professional. That's all I can say. Like, I'm not a professional. I'm just a guy in a garage with some tools. Just don't do what I say. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm not telling you to go and cut your car up. And also, it's not my fault. Like, I'm not telling you to do anything, okay? So, just know that. I don't want any of you guys to go cut your car up and then say, oh, you told me to do this. You said to do that. I did what I had to do. What I had to do here doesn't mean that in your case it will be the same. What you could do is just take out the bad out of this video, like how some parts I messed up and how I told you guys I fixed it. Aside from that, this is not a how-to video.